here in Mati. A little windy, and also Sunday, and also electricity blackout, no electricity. So peaceful and quiet village. And if it's sunny, as always, you're gonna go on the beach side. Still cloudy in autumn. Seaside is always a little bit better. The beach, Fisherman Village. Well, yeah, in sunny weather the Hikan looks beautiful. Check this beautiful color of the water. Peaceful morning, Fisherman Village. Sandy spot. Beautiful scene. Such an eye catcher. Yeah. Beautiful scene, amazing. Well guys, that's the way. Be in the morning, begin the day. Yesterday I was talking with Fisherman. He told me around 11 he's gonna have some fish here. We'll see. Such a bright colors. Well, I don't see the fisherman. Maybe around here. Hello. If somebody sells a fish?
No.
Nobody. They sold already, or there is no fish for today?
No.
No fish? Okay, well, salamat. No fish. Okay. Well, if there is no fish, we're gonna catch something else. We're gonna catch beautiful sunshine weather, beautiful nature, that's gonna be my catch. Beautiful sunny beach. I'm gonna go for the swim, spend some hour, maybe 2, while it's sunny and beautiful. Get my positive vibes, which is very important in life. It doesn't look like a much, but at the same time, this is the most what you can get in your life. Nothing much more. That's the pinnacle. Yeah. Pinnacle of enjoyment for the humans. Beautiful, clean environment. Yeah. Well, weather is better today, definitely. Still some clouds in the hills and mountains. Yeah. It's getting baking hot. Yeah, you can imagine. There's no clouds. Yeah. It's very, very hot. But that's very, very good because it's beautiful. Well, as for me, while I get my swim, enjoy the beautiful. Now I spend maybe, as always, 20 minutes in the sun. Just lightly tan today. Yeah. Such a humongous white sand beach. Check this one. See? All white sand. Yeah. Beautiful oceanfront beach. Well, definitely for vacation, this gains the value. Ocean front. That's the real value, yeah, of this place. As long as you're gonna look around, it's gonna be just a clean, beautiful nature. Yeah, and the color, cleanness, fresh breeze, open ocean. So many good things in combination in one place. Yeah, real value. Well, hope that's gonna be well managed. And the resource which is on the rise, it's not going to be dominant here. We're so easy to spoil nature by human creations, and nothing can replicate the beauty of just the pure nature. Well, yeah, the people understand that this crowding in the coastline, in cramped spaces, in the hotel rooms, it's a little bit wrong. And in general, the crowds is kind of, yeah, nothing much valuable. The isolation and when the people are dispersed in some beautiful areas little by little, it's much more better. And as it happens, as we see now in this COVID time, it's also more secure for us. So diseases can't spread. But in general, if you see the small buildings like this, it's more or less. But if you're gonna see here huge building, well, yeah, all the beauty disappears. It's gonna be, yeah, dominated by concrete. So of course, when I see the places like this, which still is more or less, yeah, natural, I think that's right. That's good. That's valuable. You want to enjoy the beach, take your bikie, come over, spend a few hours, and you're good to go back to your city or your village, and so on. It's not necessary to be here day and night. You don't need that. I don't need that. Nobody needs that. You know, it's enough. Few hours. Well, enjoyment of the beach is yeah, it's not a main occupation for any human being. You see, we humans, we need yeah, other things in our life to feel happy. Culture, science, sports, so many other activities which makes us happy and content. And being on the beach, well, yeah, each second day, few hours is good. But we all can't live in one beach. So for this reason, we need to preserve this place for all of us. So people can have access wherever they have to enjoy the beach. And there is so much land, and landscapes here are dramatical. You can go in the mountains and hillsides and build your villages and so on. Of course, it's much more difficult and so on, but that's kind of urban planning, which is sensible, or maybe not just the urban planning, but in general planning of the area, which is sensible, gives opportunity to enjoy the nature in fullest potential without spoiling it. So yeah, for this reason, Mati, I guess it's still good. Still good, and yeah, to overbuild this place takes, you know, 5, 10, 20 years, so that's good. If you want to enjoy beautiful nature, well, that's the place. Definitely Mate is a place. Yeah, beautiful ocean front. Look at those beauties. Smells so good. It always feels so good to be in close proximity to nature. Yeah, and human buzz, well, it's human buzz. Well, it's necessary, yeah, but at the same time, all industrialized nations work towards to eliminate the noise and pollution and make all our human activities yeah, kind of decent to nature, decent to other people around us. So it does annoy other people, does spoil the nature. Emission free, noise free, and so on. That's the mindset of the industrialized nations and people who understands, you know, yeah, fragility of the nature and how much we need to spend time and effort to preserve it. Well, I guess it's getting enough for me today. See, can't spend more than half hour in the sun, and it's not necessary also. If you get a sunburn, you can't enjoy the sun tomorrow. It's very smart strategy. You enjoy the sun and beach little by little every day, 20 minutes, so you don't get sunburn, which is very important thing. Yeah, that's it. 20 minutes in the sun, that's it, and you're happy camper on the beach. Now I can go and explore the neighborhood, see the other places. I guess I'm gonna go this side, yeah, or maybe that side, we'll see. Now we're gonna explore the neighborhood villages and other beaches. Yeah, this one looks more or less decent. 1, 2, 3, 4 big buildings. A little bit more, 5 big buildings, and that's it, and ocean front, decent establishments. Human creation. Yeah. It's funny, it's always even like 4 meters above the ground and already it feels a little bit different. You see more distant, the fresher breeze. Yeah. Views, such a value. But of course, when I think about different kind of locations, I always think, yeah, nothing beats, you know, the yacht and traveling places like this with your own yacht, so you can park your yacht in one place, another place, so you have constantly new views as you wish. That's the, well, I will say it's ultimate value. It is much more valuable than one constant point. So for this reason, I'm not going to be settling down. I'm going to utilize this freedom to travel and explore many places, and now by bike and later by boat. I guess that's the best way to explore and enjoy this planet Earth and your short life, which you have been given here on planet Earth, like 100 years, you and me. How are you gonna spend it? That's the question. What could be the best way to do that? Yeah, traveling, definitely. Yeah, the fish.
Fine fish?
Yeah.
I don't know what is the time. Then I go to cover.
Well, yesterday I heard one fisherman told me it's going to be 11 in the morning, but I was here in 11.
But depends in a.
Yeah, well, understand. Yeah.
But
Yeah.
right now by 3 or 4 p.m.
They're going to be here in the spot, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What about morning time?
Morning is 6, 7.
And every day?
Every day.
Every day, 6 in the morning, yeah. Okay. Well, I'm gonna try. Well, thank you. Yeah. This could be good to have a fish right from the fisherman. This could be the best. You get your freshly catched, clean ocean fish from beautiful Mati. Yeah. Definitely. Best thing to consume as a healthy food. Yeah. Beautiful spot. Nothing much to say. There's a location. Dahican. Beautiful location, definitely one of the best locations, yeah. In terms of cleanness, yeah, very difficult to beat good one. I'm gonna try to see neighborhood beaches. Hello, it's good?
Yeah, you want to join?
Oh, not today.
Are you making some vlog?
Yeah. Spear fishing.
Yeah.
What you gonna get? Some ubud?
No.
No.
Yeah. We started there and then we
What is the kind of typical fish here?
any kind.
Any kind, yeah. Everything. Is there some corals over here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Start
Over there.
from there to the surfing area.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's some lapu-lapu also?
Yeah.
Parrots and so on?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, cool. Gonna check the place. Thank you. Yeah. That's how it looks like. There's no white, beautiful sand. Yeah, a rough nature. But then there's a corals over there. So, and corals always attract the fish. From small to big.
Puhada.
Puhada, you say?
Yeah, it's a very
Okay,
nice place in Mati City.
Yeah, I saw. It's other side of this hook here, over there.
The other side. Yeah. There's a place you can vlog.
White sand and so
Yeah,
on.
also white sand.
What about the boats to Puhada?
You should rent about start from Masao or Kanakbay. Do you know Kanakbay?
Not yet.
Kanakbay Beach Resort.
But there's some points on a beach where you can find the boats.
Yeah, yes.
But which is the biggest point to go to Puhada? Which place is like biggest for the tourists?
The biggest
Point with the most amount of the boats, so they always are there. Because sometimes they charge like 1,000, 2,000 for boat, but you need to have 6 people with you.
if you're alone, it's okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, there's no need to. We need to get 6 or 5 person.
yeah.
Yeah, it's up to you.
Well, that's for sure. But you
I
pay.
think you pay more than 1,000.
You guys gonna go for the fishing? Yeah, check this beautiful spot. Yeah, wild, clean nature. Beautiful. Yeah. Totally beautiful. There's a Dahikan beach over here. There's white sand beauty. So the corals are over here. So for the diving, I guess, and also for spear fishing, the spot. Yeah, weekend. Be some kind of resort. We'll see. Wild beauty. Ooh. Wild beauty. That's how it's a majority of the coastline looks like all around the planet Earth. And those beautiful white sand beaches, they are beautiful phenomenon, so nature. Oh yeah, some places are more blessed with them, some less. But mangroves, yeah, and like this one, stone beaches, that's the majority. living place for sea creatures. So many sea urchins. See the lonely fisherman here with the nets. I seen the same thing in Indonesia and Bali. Yes, very popular Asian technique to catch a fish. Or maybe not just Asian, maybe all around the world people use the nets with some weights. Yeah, to catch the coastal fish. Well, yes, and that's the shoreline. Ooh, another attempt. I see some small spots with the white sand. But yeah, definitely they are not everywhere. Here and there. Reminds me that the wild nature protects itself. All those hills, very difficult to access. So yeah, not that many villages can establish themselves. Nothing much? No. I see you have something here.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful parrots. Yeah. Good luck, good luck. Well, you see a little bit. could be interesting to get a drone fishing here. Could be something. But as for wildness of the nature and cleanness, yeah, just fascinating. Like loving every beat, everything. Sandy beaches, those one, rocky ones. Everything looks so good. Nothing compares to the clean nature, of course. It reminds me each time, as always in life, you always understand the things better when you're in touch with them. But don't judge the things which you haven't seen. Don't make opinions about the subjects which you have no experience. That's why I travel extensively. So I make my opinions based on seen or experienced things. Yeah. And this of course for me is very, very high value. This beautiful clean nature. Very difficult to replace this one with something else. Nothing much more, yeah. Nothing much more. Clean nature, yeah. Okay, we'll see the next place. Huge amount of the coconuts. Tall one. There's tall trees with coconuts, so there's no storms. Break them down. It's beautiful. Wild nature. Wheel. Well, yeah, in the maps it's a white sand beach. In reality, yeah, it's clean, of course. Well, that's the pristine nature. Beautiful, come on guys, even if it's not white sand, but still looks so gorgeous. Yeah. Go for the swim. Clean nature, always in whites. Come over. Enjoy the cleanest place. Funny, no plastic, no nothing. Beautiful.
This fascinates me, you see, this one. Pacific Ocean. Like nothing. Yeah. Well, of course there's beautiful islands. Many of them. Beauty of open ocean.
Open ocean beach always gonna be my priority. It's kind of serious, it's kind of stable, meaningful. And also no humans can do nothing much here. It's immense ocean. They wash away everything what the humans gonna make. Beautiful experience. See you later, beautiful wild place. Beautiful farmhouse. See all those decorations. You can imagine how beautiful that was when this was new. mountain. Well, picnic. That was a beautiful road. We're back to the highway. Well, let's see if I will be able to get to the beach here also. Yeah, coconuts here are in abundance. And you see those things are planted. Everything in the row. Yeah, Stone Beach. Yeah, beautiful, vast Stone Beach. Well, I just love it. Views like this is just I don't know how to say, durian for my soul. As a durian for my body, those views are best things for my soul. Yeah, beautiful day. Always when I see those hillsides, I think it could be interesting to climb up. Yeah, such a gorgeous views over there. Yeah guys, that's it I guess for today. Exploring beautiful Dahican Beach, and then we was over there in the Hook, and us here now. I more or less understand the nature, how it look like here. Next trip's gonna be more that side, eventually in Siargao. Is not that far away from here already. So, well, of course, the local things here going to be Ujad Island and some other things. Well, yeah, definitely one of the best places in the Philippines to travel for the people who appreciate wild nature, clean nature. There's gonna be a lot of things to do here and enjoy. For evening is gonna be again healthy fresh fish to maintain the forms, which is a very important thing in life. So many people don't take care of themselves and lose the forms. And then it's very difficult, or maybe sometimes even not possible, to go back. So for me, between all those travels, enjoyment, of course the healthy food is the biggest part of my, the life, I will say. To keep myself in good shape. You look on girls when they are getting older, like 25, 30 and so on. Those women who maintain their forms, they still feel good and they are in demand in and they just feel good, because if you look good, you feel good. And the main aspect here is fitness, how fit you are. So you're not overweight, you are fit physically, mentally, of course, clear mind. As always, we say that in a healthy body we have a clean mind, so then everything is okay. So the message is, don't lose the forms, don't get overweight first place, and all the other things as a fitness, get a little more physical fit. It's okay, it's necessary, but the main thing, don't lose what you have been given from the nature. Little pomelos, as you see. Beautiful.
8 kilos times for 35.
280.
Well, I was just curious, what kind of agriculture businesses you have here more? What's growing good?
Going good. Double income, but very big business is citrus.
Citrus, yeah.
Citrus, yeah, citrus.
Okay.
Other cropping is coconut and cacao.
Cacao also,
Cacao.
yeah. Okay,
Chocolate,
okay.
huh?
Yeah.
There, mayo. Tamayo.
Okay.
Cacao.
Thank you very much. Di ba masado balik ko?
Beautiful tuna.